Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back to Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain sequence and series concept. Okay, so what is sequence? A succession of numbers A1, A2, A3 and so on An formed according to some definite rule. According to some definite rule is called sequence. Is called a sequence. Okay. What is a sequence? A succession of numbers A1, A2, A3 and so on An formed according to some definite rule is called sequence. A sequence is a function whose domain is set of natural numbers and the range is subset of real or complex numbers. The real numbers are complex numbers. Okay. A sequence is a function whose domain is set of natural numbers and the range is subset of real or complex numbers. Okay. So now explain notations, important notations. The different numbers, there are different terms or numbers. The different terms of a sequence are usually denoted by A1, A2 and so on An or T1, T2, T3 and so on Tn. Okay. Now explain series. Okay. So sequences are two types. One is finite sequence, second one is infinite sequence. The sequences are two types. First one is finite sequence. Second one is infinite sequence. What is the finite sequence? A sequence having finite number of terms. A sequence having finite number of terms. I give one example. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. A sequence having finite number of terms is called finite sequence. So what is the infinite sequence? A sequence having infinite number of terms. Having infinite number of terms. I give one example: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Okay. So what is the finite sequence? A sequence having finite number of terms. Infinite sequence is a sequence having infinite number of terms. It is called infinite sequence. Okay, now I am going to explain series. So what is a series? A series is obtained by adding or subtracting the terms of sequence. What is a series? A series is obtaining by adding or subtracting the terms of sequence. The terms of the sequence is called series. Okay. So series are two types. One is finite series, second one is infinite series. These are two types. First one is finite series. Second one is infinite series. Okay. So what is the finite series? A series having a finite number of terms. A series having finite number of terms. I give one example. What is a series? A series is obtained by adding or subtracting the terms of the sequence. Okay, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12. This is the finite series. So now I give infinite series example. What is the infinite series? A series having infinite number of terms. A series having infinite number of terms. Infinite number of terms. I give one more example. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 and so on. This is a finite series example. Okay, a series having finite number of terms. Infinite series is having infinite number of terms. Now I am going to explain progression. Okay, so what is the progression? If the terms of sequence follow certain pattern. If the terms of a sequence follow the certain pattern. Okay, then the sequence is called progression. Then the sequence is called progression. These are three types. One is AP, second one is GP, third one is HP. AP means arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. GP means geometric progression. Next, HP means harmonic progression. harmonic progression. Okay. Thank you for watching. Remaining concepts I will explain in coming class.